state in the country, the most business-friendly state in the country just in recent months. History still being made. The election of Doug Wilder as governor. The land transaction yesterday that Chief Adkins talked about. The terrific historic partnership between the United Kingdom and America in fighting the global war on terror and doing all that it takes to preserve those traditions of liberty. Freedom and partnerships begun on these shores 400 years ago are alive and well today. So I think that it's an extraordinary time to celebrate that which is great about Virginia and America, but also to rededicate ourselves to those principles planted on these shores to continue to make this great American experiment in democracy one that continues to be inclusive, continues to offer hope and freedom in the American dream for all. With divine providence and the grace of God and the hard work of government and the private sector, the churches and the synagogues of America, we will continue to be that shining city on the hill that provides opportunity for all of our citizens. Thank you. May God continue to bless America.